So let's get started.
Our first transition is called freeze frame. Freeze frame transition commonly used in music videos to create visual impact and enhance the storytelling or mood of the song. Now let's see how to create the freeze frame transition inside the Premiere Pro. I've already got 2 clips ready on the timeline to show you how to do this one. So first move the time indicator to the first frame of your second clip. Here we have to take a snapshot of this frame, so click on this little camera icon to take a snapshot. If you can't find this icon here, click on this plus icon, then drag and drop this camera icon here. And click on OK. Now click on this camera button to take a snapshot of this frame. And select the snapshot format as PNG. Don't forget to enable import into the project. Now click on OK. So it'll make a snapshot in the project window. Now add the snapshot above your footage. You need to remove the background from the snapshot. In Premiere Pro, you can remove background using the masking tool. So go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Opacity effect, click on Pen tool. Select your masking area to remove the background. But in this case, I would prefer to edit in Adobe Photoshop. So right-click on the snapshot layer and select Edit in Photoshop. And it will open up with the Photoshop application. Then go to the window and open Properties. Inside the Properties panel, expand the Quick Actions. Now just click on the Remove Background. So automatically your background will be removed. Click Ctrl+S to save it. Then go back to the Premiere Pro and see the preview. The background is removed perfectly. Now move your time indicator to the first frame of the snapshot layer, and cut 10 frames from the snapshot layer. Click Ctrl+K to make a cut here. And delete the last part of the snapshot layer. Then move the snapshot layer above on your first clip. Now merge the second clip with your first clip. Here is the preview and it looks good. Now we are going to animate the snapshot layer, so right-click on the snapshot layer and nest it. Then go to the Effects tab, search for Transform Effect, add this effect to the snapshot layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Inside the Transform Effect, make a keyframe on the position, and move this keyframe to the end of this layer. Here you can move the character position to the left, right, or up and down side. And move the position until it goes out of the frame. Now move this keyframe to the beginning of this layer. The preview looks good, but not smooth yet. So click on the snapshot layer, and set the shutter angle to 120. It will add the motion blur in this character. Here is the final preview and it looks smooth.